Want to speak about other Google sites that can help us to get better search results. Really, in these steps, we don't speak about Google. We will speak about Google sites, for example, Google Books, Google Docs, Google Scholar, and etc. We want to introduce you 4 Google sites. One of them is Google Books. Google Books is a service from Google that searches the full text of books that Google has scanned, converted to text, and stored in its digital database. Then by searching in this site, you can find 2 proper books about your search query. Another Google site is Google Scholar. It is very proper and good for your research problems and research works. Google Scholar enables searches for scholarly materials such as peer-reviewed papers, theses, books, abstracts, technical reports from many areas of research. It includes a variety of academic publishers, professional societies and universities, and etc. and web pages. We want to speak about Google Scholar at the end of the slides, and we will search in Google Scholar and we will use from the advanced search of Google Scholar because it is very good for academic searching. Another thing is Google Docs. Google Docs is another official web-based office suite that has create and edit documents online while collaborating in real time with other users. And it has a storage. It is free for users. This storage is up to 1 gigabyte. Then by using this, you can use from the documents from other persons that will be proper in your search query. And at the end of them, it will be bookmaking. Okay, what is bookmaking? When you find a useful website recording the document information for future, so you can always easily return to the source. By this kind of bookmark. But by this kind of bookmarking, you can save your search results, your useful search results, and you can use them whenever you want. Now let me to start with searching in Google Scholar. Okay, at first we want to go to the page of Google Scholar. It is the page of Google Scholar. As you see, this is the toolbar of Google Scholar, and this is the options of Google Scholar. By using from these options, you can have something. For example, you can create a profile for you in Google Scholar. You can have some alerts for you in Google Scholar. You can have, or you can use from advanced search in Google Scholar, and settings for other things. We can use from advanced search, but at first we want to use from the toolbar, and then we will search in advanced search. For example, Google Scholar, we want to use optimization techniques, for example. As you see, we have three parts: articles and some filters here in time filter, sorting the results, include patents or not, include citations or not. Another thing, the results, really with three different colors: blue color for the page, green color for the URL, and black color for the content of the page. And if you can download the PDF format of these results here specified, for example, you see the PDF, you can download this result, or if you can't see the PDF, it means that you can't download this result. Now we want to use from the advanced search of this Google Scholar. As you see in the advanced search of Google Scholar, you can write your phrases here with all of the words. It is a general phrase. With the exact phrase, it is like a double quotation. With at least one of the words, it is like or operator, and without the words, it is like not operator. Where my words occur, anywhere in the article or in the title of the article, it is like the title query in the Google. For example, you have optimization techniques. If you want only optimization techniques in the title of the page or the paper, you can use from this option. If you want to find optimization techniques any other in each kind of the paper or page, you can use from this option. For example, we want to use optimization techniques with each other at the exact phrase. We can use from this. Written articles authored by, you can write the name of the author. Written articles published in, you can use here the publisher. For example, you can use the scientific publishers in your field of work, for example IEEE, Elsevier, Springer, and etc. For example, we want to use IEEE transactions. Written articles dated between, you can use the time filter here, for example from 2018 to 2020, and then you will have the results here. You can see the results: modern electrical machine design, optimization techniques, trends and best practices. It is IEEE transactions from 2018 from the IEEE publisher, and as it seems, you can download this paper and other papers here. Then by using from Google Scholar, you can reach to better search results, and you can be sure that all your search results are papers or academic papers that can help you to have better search results. Okay, now we end our Google search techniques. I hope that it can be useful for you, for your search and your Google searching. By using from these techniques or from Google queries, you can reach to a better search, and you can really save your time, because searching in Google or other search engines will be a time consuming process. By using useful and proper searching techniques, your time can be saved and your energy can be saved for your search process, other steps search process, for example for reading, studying, and having some useful and proper simulations and etc. Thank you very much. We will speak about other presentation techniques and writing scientific reports in other sessions. Goodbye.